Hi there, young explorers. Let's learn about wild animals. What is this animal? It's a lion. What is this animal? It's an elephant. What is this animal? It's a monkey. What is this animal? It's a flamingo. I hope you had a blast learning about wild animals with me today. See you next time.